Hello and welcome to today's KodeKloud engineering task. So today's task is to install and configure IP tables on the three application servers, blocking incoming port 8082 on all apps except for the LBR host. So I'm installing IP tables services on stapp01, which is the first application server, using yum command. So once the installation is complete, we are going to enable IP tables by issuing the command systemctl enable IP tables, and then we are going to start it. Once that is done, we want to allow the incoming port 8082 from the LBR host. For this, we are going to use the iptables-append command. Make sure the parameter of the port you are given in your task, as this is dynamic. Once that is done, we are going to make the changes persistent using service iptable save and then restart it. Let's log in into the load balancer host just to make sure that our connection is accessible from the port 8082. I'm going to issue a curl command using curl-i. Server name is to the port number. We can see that it is accessible. So let's go ahead and perform the same steps in the two application servers as well. Since this is a repetitive task, I am going to create a simple script. I'm going to paste in all the commands which we have performed in the first application server. Let's give the execution permissions to this particular file and then run it. Let's perform the same operations in the third application server, as the task requirement is to do this in all the three application servers of the Stratos data center. Let us see the rules issuing the command iptables-nvl. We can see that everything is as desired. Let's click on finish and confirm. This should make sure that your task is successful. And again, if you think this is helpful, please like, subscribe, and click on bell icon so that I can keep producing the same type of videos. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next task.